As a total railway system integrator, Hitachi provides a wide range of services from railroad production to traffic control. There is a city in Japan that is a symbol of this very service. After a 5-hour train ride from Tokyo Station, we finally get to Kutamatsu City, which is located in the southeastern area of Yamaguchi Prefecture. If you've ever heard of this city, then you must be a true rail fan. That's right, this is where Hitachi mainly manufactures important parts for railways. Hitachi's rail systems company, Kasado Works, are all here. At 9 times the size of a soccer stadium, this factory stretches an impressive 520,000 square meters. No wonder people call this the Mother Factory. They also support the railway industry on a global scale, assisting with railroad vehicles and maintenance work as part of the Intercity Express program, or IEP in the UK. Now let's take a look at what actually goes on inside this factory. First, we can see that the main body of the train is put together and then painted afterwards. Structure assembly, painting. Next, electrical systems and air conditioning units are installed. Wiring, piping work. The exteriors and interiors of the trains are then furnished with seats and handles. Mounting rigging. After a thorough final inspection, the trains can be shipped out at last. Quality assurance, shipping. Workers carefully monitor carbon dioxide emissions, electricity consumption, and chemical substance use during the process. All of these measures are to ensure a safe and comfortable ride for customers while considering the environment. Around 1,500 staff members working here all hope to achieve the title of the best mother factory in the world. What kind of products are manufactured at Kasado Works? Let's have a look.
Hello, I'm the guy from the Rolling Stock Manufacturing Department. I'll be taking you on a tour of our factory today. Please follow me.
This is Mitsumasa Nagai of Kasado Works' Rolling Stock Manufacturing Department. He's been working here for 25 years and specializes in furnishing cars. Good thing we have an expert showing us around. And on that note, we are here visiting the assembly factory. But wait, Mr. Nagai, they seem to be assembling the train handles on the floor.
Here we have different parts we need to install on the ceiling of the train. In order to do so, first we need to turn the train upside down, like this.
I see. Who knew trains had to be turned over to put ceilings on them?
Well, actually, this is a technique I learned from senior workers. With heavy ceiling parts like this one, you have to turn the train upside down.
Well, now that he mentions it, it does seem more effective working face down than above your head. Individual components are not only installed into the car frame, but the components themselves, ranging from flat cars to even toilets, are assembled here at this factory. This process is called outwork. By the way, this Kasado-style air conditioning unit is also a product of outwork. Once it's completed, it will be docked on top of the roof. The customer's safety depends on the worker's precision, and that means even the smallest error during the production process cannot be overlooked. Even after each and every bolt is tightened, it is inspected for safety with a set of pliers.
As you've seen so far, all kinds of skills are needed to produce one train car, let alone a single component.
From one worker to another, valuable skills and techniques are passed down through special training courses at Kasado Works. All staff members start their first year learning different theories and putting them into practice at this training school before they can start working as mechanics. Now let's see what's happening at the factory. It seems like the workers are piecing together a bullet train. The operator cab is the head section, where most of the wiring is assembled. In order to avoid even the smallest error, this is a two-person job. The workers make sure every power cable is put in the right place and connected to the right cable number.
125M-2、11番 126M-1。
Did you know the assembly process alone takes approximately 2 months? Also, around 30,000 individual parts, like doors and air conditioning units, as well as more than 4,000 wires and pipes, are carefully installed in a single train, one at a time. So, what did you think of our work?
I hope you were able to see we really care about our trains.
No doubt about that. You definitely get a sense of their passion. Well then, what's next? I guess you could say it's quite the contrary to the careful and cautious handiwork we've seen today. Stay tuned and see what happens as we move on to quality assurance. Will the train survive the rigorous inspection tests? Let's find out. Let's also see how they're transported out of this factory moments before they go off into the world. And so, we hope to see you again in the second part of The Creation of Trains.